The man, the journey, the milestone. Education is to give vision to improve the quality of life and thereby the quality of the nation. Shri Gyan Prakash Chopra, a man with a great mission. One name saying many stories of around-the-clock hard work, dedication, commitment to educate students at large and build a strong nation.
जब भारत सरकार से उन्हें पद्म भूषण मिला तो मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई, इतना मन जैसे झूम उठा और उस जिन्हें मैं पिता की तरह मानती हूँ उनके लिए मैंने कुछ पंक्तियाँ लिखी। हे पिता तुल्य गुरुवर, आशीर्वाद की मुद्रा में उठा आपका हाथ, जीवन के कुरुक्षेत्र में हमारी संजीवनी है। आपकी बोलती तरल आँखें ऊर्जा है हमारी, करती हैं हमें प्रेरित। उठो उठो, समय के वक्ष पर लिख डालो नया इतिहास। आज गर्वित परिवार मनाता है पर्व उल्लास।
To honor this great personality with love and respect, all DAV members gathered in Hansraj Model School in New Delhi. So DAV, a proud family, celebrates this remarkable success in a very unique way. The mood was of salutations and greetings.
You see, a great educationist, a great scholar, a great administrator, plus a wonderful human being. That's what makes GP Chopra sir. He has all the qualities imbibed in him, you know. And you meet him and you feel that he belongs to you.
16 times he has been unopposed elected president. So that speaks volumes of him. Everybody places trust on him. They know that he can see things ahead. He always thinks of a future, you know. I mean, I will call him a leader of a new dawn. That is how I'll say. And he's another thing I must say, that he is so affectionate that we all, you know, you just now said that I have been working with passion. From where do I get this passion? I get this passion out of love. And who's giving me this love? It is his encouragement.
कि सितारों के परे एक जहां और भी है, अभी तुम्हारे जीवन में इम्तिहान और भी हैं. So this is what we all have promised him. And with a leader like him, I'm sure we will certainly achieve this vision.
Today's age is the age when you can't walk, you have to run. And he is running far ahead of all of us. And that's why he has received the Padma Bhushan. We are all very proud and we feel it is as much our award as is his.
When you talk to him, the kind of energy levels he has, you know, that is where our energy level comes.
With so many awards in his bucket, Shri GP Chopra has led an unparalleled campaign for value education. Shri Gyan Prakash Chopra ji has been awarded Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Delhi Ratna Award and Quimpro Award for his outstanding contribution in the field of education and literature. A leader with a deep foresight. His sparkling eyes inspire many. His vision wakes every heart to dream.
चोपड़ा साहब हमेशा कहा करते हैं, डीएवी के बच्चे तो आकाश की ऊंचाइयों में भी हैं, पाताल की गहराइयों में भी हैं। चोपड़ा जी का जो ब्लेसिंग्स हैं, गुड विशेस हैं, प्यार है और सबको एक धागे में बांधा हुआ है प्यार से और एक एम के साथ बांधा हुआ है। उनके हम पाँव छूकर पास से निकल जाते थे और उनका जो उठा हुआ हाथ था, लगता था कि वो आशीर्वाद कितने दिल से, अपनी आत्मा से, कितने प्यार से जो आशीर्वाद, उनकी आँख में जो एक प्यार है, जो हमारे लिए विश्वास है।
If you love something, if you have compassion for something, it will get retained in your mind. And that is the quality in him. He's passionate about it, and he's going ahead and doing it. And when somebody is passionate about it, I don't think age comes in its way. Age has no meaning there.
Chopra sir is really a guiding light for all of us, and at every step he's given us guidance and told us which way to go, how to go, what to do, and encouraging at every step.
G.P. Chopra on the award of Padma Bhushan to him by the government of India. दुनिया में वही शख्स है ताज़ीम के काबिल जिस शख्स ने हालात का मुंह मोड़ दिया।
You see, now these are days of technology, and I have been telling our institution that if we walk, we shall be left behind. We have to run to remain in the race, not only run but to lead. And this is what the DV College Managing Committee is doing. That is why you think of any public or private sector undertaking, any. There are 24 most important, and they have given us about 150 schools to run. Therefore, our aim is not only to give the best so far education is concerned, but it should be value-based.
The evening had an aura of ardent pride and elation. Shri Chopra ji believes that education should empower students not only intellectually but also socially and spiritually.
That is why you see Mr. Khushwant Singh, who doesn't give generally very great praise, has given to DV College Managing Committee that this is the only organization. These are his words exactly. He said it is amazing that this organization, DAV organization, is free from corruption and is value-based, unlike other educational organizations.
What do you think the reason behind?
The reason behind is that the principal and the other person who are at the back of this, they themselves, number one, we have given them freedom to do. We don't interfere in their work as long as things go on. And therefore, when they consider whether it is the principal of a school or a college, they consider these institutions as their own. And the result, therefore, you can see expansion, and not only expansion, but some of the best institutions in the country. The expansion is because of the good results in every way. It is not only, you see, academics. It is other things also, as I was telling in this meeting. In these days, of course, success in academics is very necessary. But then there is song and dance and drama and music and sports and game. And they are most important also. You know how people have made money also, and they have gone up in life. In addition to academics, when these things also have come up in order to enliven the lives of people at large.
ये जिंदगी प्यार भरी मैंने यकीनन जी है। मैं चोपड़ा साहब की ओर से आपको नजर कर रहा हूँ। ये शेर की जिंदगी प्यार भरी मैंने यकीनन जी है। दोस्त पीते हैं तो लगता है कि मैंने पी है। दोस्त पीते हैं तो लगता है कि मैंने पी है। इतनी सारी फैमिली खुश हो जाए, उसके बाद किसी नशे की जरूरत नहीं होती, किसी हरारत की जरूरत नहीं होती।
It is Shri Chopra ji's continuous efforts behind DAV's remarkable success, meeting global standards.
In India, which are value-based and free from corruption. Ramakrishna Mission, organization run by Ramakrishna Mission, the Society of Jesus, and DAV schools. And it's a very great tribute which has been paid to you. My friends on the stage, and you principals of schools and colleges, and ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much, thank you very much.